The computer, we have it here. You see this? I'm gonna show you. Okay, you see this here? This is our car, Panorama. Panamera. This one here, you see, is 2012. The other computer said we got it from Cayenne, 2012. And Cayenne have 4 point something engine, or it's totally different Cayenne, and this one transmission setup, engine setup, they all different. So definitely it will not work. This is Panamera, and the other one is Cayenne. So we're gonna send those stuff back, and we have to look for other solution. I don't know if we'll be able to read the chip itself. I don't know if I can desolder this chip completely and put it into any programmer. If you guys know which programmer that can read it, I will be able to put it there, because I'm not able to read it from here. If I can read it, I will be able to write it, because take this one out to solder it somewhere, it may create me, or it may be a little bit tough, but I will do my best. Maybe I have to cut everything and just solder wire on it, on the corners, and try it. It may work, because it's already like 4 or 5 wires. If it doesn't work, maybe I have to get a brand new one, or maybe I have to get a brand new from the dealer and see if there is a programming system. If anybody know what kind of software that I will be able to program it, or hotel can do a coding for a new one, please let us know. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.